Our final scale is G flat major, which uses all of the black notes. And just so you're aware, the scale of G flat major is the scale of F sharp major, the same way that the scale of D flat major is the scale of C sharp major. For this scale, we're going to start on finger 2, and we go 2, 3, 4, thumb underneath onto B, which here appears as C flat, 2, 3, thumb underneath onto F, 2, third over, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. In the left hand, we're going to start on finger 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, third over onto D flat, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands together, fourth in the left and 2 in the right. Thumb under, third over, thumb under, third over, thumb under,